I look really pretty. Okay, I have a base on, bronzer, contour. I don't have highlight on yet. Let's see, I don't have brows. I just have my lashes. Unlike all the YouTube, that kind of thing, it's probably hard for you to do the cut crease liner and all of that crazy stuff. So for everyday makeup, teacher, doctor, whatever you are, whatever you do, mom, everyday life, this palette, this Tarte contour palette, I think you can get this on Amazon, I think for 20 bucks. I know that Emily got it on there. It's volume 3. Pretty much, you can use this for anything. And everyone always asks me like what I wear. Reason I like this is because you can literally use this for everything. So I did my base. I used the bronzer and the contour. I have quite a bit on right now. I just use my finger for the highlight. But whether you might be like in a hotel room and you're at a convention or you're somewhere, I really enjoy this because, okay, so I start with one of these two. I'm going to go with a little bit of a darker one, and I'm going to go underneath my eyes. So I'm just going to do like a light swoop. Anyone would do this with their mouth closed. I think when people watch YouTubes, they get overwhelmed, and it's like, oh my goodness, I can't. But I feel like with this is like, this is a doable thing. We're gonna go into the darker color, and you're gonna kind of sweep that on the outer corner of your eye. I have smaller eyes, so I kind of bring it a little farther down and out. Pick up more product if needed. Kind of swoop it to about the middle. Just really blend that really well. So see how it kind of makes it opens my eye a little bit. I really think that this little step is a very simple step. I feel like everyone can do it. Just practice. And it's quick. It's not like you have to do a lot. I put a little bit on my upper, but you don't even have to do that. So the brush I'm using is kind of like a flat brush. This one is old. I think it's like I don't even know. You can get a crown brush just like this, or you can use an angled brush. You can pretty much use any brush. I just like this one because it blends it really nicely. And I mean, that's it. That's just a little bit you do. Finish off your brows, do some mascara and a lip, and golden. I hope that helps a little bit with your everyday makeup, and just to give it a little...
This is brave, this is bruised, this is who I'm meant to be, this is me.